Abidwa for mama kwaba edeba Procto Media so enen so insama egu apono so na mo som for Chris DJH enen so mempeni for atu me say memfa emunsam ene mo nkyeremu emfa mbremu we di ensemble ye ko ensem no tetew eye ambulance sensem sensem no ambulance sensem na de e bana sa na de ensemble brida eye den ede ba oman Ghana yimu na eye court sense my court so na mpelifo kushia ewo eye courts nyensam ketwa ne court so ewo ho na obi sese nsu aboa nsu ebu nkrofo ewo court wo na ambulance sensem no entra eba court dem ho no nyensam ketwa na me hu se impenifo ewo oman Ghana yima omonfa no kredi enyade enye adwuma na so ko kan na yede na ya asem ko kan sisi a be ya asem enso ye wa hemfo mpenifo ha omagina so ata se omagina se ombehwe na no kredi ayede aye adwuma enkyere se omonti ye aban penifo mu nti omuhu ne enkoso omuhu pa kana omunya den omonka omode inkofo list ayeden ato se ne ometimi ayeden aka omonsam na omahu se ampa de ekoso no omuhu ye na yansembere ye ko ensem no so na yakwakuti mpenifo bi nsensem bi a ye japa nenne no japa de we a eye owura ye fa ne japa no ne ho ankasa ahyesem no nsem no na question ne ba na eba na eye judge ni ya na oti edwom eye efiase wa Botwe no efiase wa Botwe ma me no na no awo papa na no awo yesi obi ekasa ma me ne kasa na wakasa ma eye oba panyini get ready esi aba na mami insema okache eye efiase wa Botwe ne se so omu wie asemi nyina omomra one say judges for be enan bi kan ho omomra na one omonya den one omon enya den entina office wo na omontimi nya den embo oman no na oman no nya den entumpon na yensembede ye kwakotie eye nsema ye mpenifo yi eka ye ewo eye court dem ho na ye bade ohubia so mosomfo Chris DJH na de beto so Procto Media message say obe share video no like no make comment na de afa ho na pribia onsa aka ne mosonko yensembede ye kombra ye ba de ohubia so media tomso mremase
what you have finally we have seen the end of your cross-examination of Mr. Richard Japka, the third accused person. Have you made your case yet?
We have made our case as prosecutors. The AG, myself, my sister, the DPP, we took turns to cross-examine Japka, and I think we have met our expectations.
So with the answers you've managed to solicit from Richard Japka, where do you think the case would go once everything comes to a conclusion?
I will not be judgmental, but I'll just stick to the facts. You were in court today. You heard issues about the post-inspection done by the former government, which Japka said was done mischievously, not our words. He said it was done out of mischief. You were in court. And he also said that when it comes to the ambulance, they were not meant to be used. You were in court, you heard it. You were also in court when it came to the date for the delivery of the ambulances. And then he said it was in January. And he finally had to come back home. You were also in court. And you heard about the ambulance having been delivered in 2014, December. So the previous government had over 2 years to have, if any, remedied the situation. Why not?
He said at the time it wasn't handed over to government. It was supposed to be kept at a safe place for the installation of the accessories, training of paramedics before it is handed over. So it will not be accurate to say that it had been handed over to government at the time. He explained in court.
But you listened to him when he read the letters of Honorable Alex Segbefia. So those ambulance advance, not my words, the words of Honorable Alex Segbefia. You also listened to his reading of the letters by Honorable Sherry Aite, who also said they were not vans and that they should stop manufacturing the said ambulance. So from all indications, you realize that what we have in court now, from the letters that he read, not our evidence, their evidence, the ambulances, with all due respect, from their own side, are vans. And with the vans, how do you use them?
Vans in the sense that it was not supposed to be used as ambulances at the time.
But you see, there was this issue about conversion. You see, AG decided to take him through that one, and he decided to just rely on the heading. That's in evidence. We decided to also let him know that you may have the heading there, but the details do not match what we claim to be the heading. And so the ambulances, as we have them now, you go through all the exhibits that we have in court, and you make your own judgments. As I said, I will not be making judgments here, but we have succeeded in putting across our case strongly that Mr. Japka gave his evidence in chief. We've also confronted him to our side of the matter, and the judge will definitely make the pronouncement on this matter.
Away from one of the things that Sammy Jeffy said, he described the Attorney General as a local champion who is always good at fixing matches. What will be your immediate response to this particular attack on the Attorney General?
It is rather unfortunate. My brother is a lawyer. The Honorable Attorney General is an astute lawyer. He's a well-read lawyer, a revered lawyer. He knows his stuff. And so if he decides to say that he's a match fixer, I mean, I don't understand him. Go to the law reports, go to Supreme Court of Ghana law reports, and look at the case that he's done at the time that he was in private practice. And from 2016 to date, I can say without any fear of equivocation that if you look at the ages that we have in Ghana, if it's not the best, it may be one of the best when it comes to his courtroom appearance. And look at international arbitrations. An Attorney General who leads his team to go on international arbitration and win cases internationally, not local. So if you say local champion, what does it mean? An Attorney General who is able to boost the staff strength of the ministry, giving them the training such that now we do not pay millions